So now let's start chatting by using Google Hangouts. In order to initiate a chat, once you've added in the contact, that is, once you've sent a request, you can simply click on message right here and choose the person who you want to contact with, or type in their name here if you have a lot of contacts. So I'm just going to type in the name right here, and you can see right here that the other person is there. And the green dot right here shows that that person is online. So I'm just going to click on it and the chat box opens up and I can see something like hi right here. Once I do that, the other person will get this notification right over here, just like this. And when the other person is typing, you see this icon right here. Right now, I'm not typing anything, but I'm just going to say, hi, how are you doing? Just like this. And you can see that the other person is typing right here. I'm going to press enter, and then the message is sent, just like that. So what you can do is you can simply go over here, type in something right here, and maybe insert an emoji if you want to as well, just like this. And then that is how you can simply initiate a conversation. And that is how you initiate a chat and work around with chat. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.